Okay guys, today we're studying the parts of a seed, and here I have a dicot seed. Dicot meaning that it has basically two large leaves called cotyledons. A monocot has one small cotyledon, okay? And in the dicot seed, the food is stored in the cotyledon as starch. So this would be your cotyledon. Okay, now, so I broke apart these couple of seeds. These I kind of messed up. So when you open it, you have to be very careful using your thumbnail on both hands to split it apart. And so here's a whole seed, which I soaked the seeds overnight, and you have to split it down the back. So you're going to separate it down the middle by taking both of your thumbs and splitting that apart. Now, I'm using one thumb because right now I only have one hand because the other hand is holding the phone, but you're going to split it down the middle, okay? Now, when you split it down the back part, when you open it up, it'll look like this. And you'll see the embryo, the seed coat, the cotyledon, okay? The center part is called what we call a hilum. So here I split it out. The other seed, I have the seed coat. Now remember, the seed coat is the protective covering. This one is kind of shriveled now. So you see the protective covering. Here, the protective covering has been taken off, your seed coat. You have the two cotyledons, which store food for the embryo as starch. So the starch is this smooth part of the cotyledon, and then you have your embryo, you have the stem, and you have the leaf of that cotyledon. This is what, when the seed germinates, will become your plant, okay? And the cotyledon, which stores food as starch, is food for that embryo, and the seed coat protects the embryo, okay? And remember, this part here is your hilum. Okay, so I hope that it explains things to you about the parts of your seed and what's on the inside that actually germinates. Okay, so we go from the whole seed. Remember, you split it down the back using your two thumbnails. Split it open carefully or you'll have a result like this, a big mess, which it cracks open. Okay, so just try to work carefully. You might have to try it a couple of times. You can even use a lima bean seed. Okay, you can use a green bean seed, right? And you see the embryo there. My phone will focus in. Okay, everybody see that? All right. Well, guys, have a good day. So please remember the parts of your seed: seed coat, cotyledon, embryo, which is the leaf and the stem of the embryo, hilum, and the cotyledon has the starch that feeds the embryo, or stores food for the embryo rather, okay? All right, guys, take care. Bye.